importance of understanding, need a standard unit of measurement. So you may observe carefully here, like if you go to the any country, everywhere the length is used to measure, understanding, in always meters or centimeters or kilometers, because it is the standard unit. So that is the importance. Why we need a standard units means, the reason is, understand, because the standard units, they will make the sake of uniform in measurement. So everywhere you can measure, anywhere in this world, the standard units will give the uniform in measurements. That is the reason why we need standard units of measurement. All of you should note it down. It is necessary to have standard units of measurement. It is necessary. It is necessary to have standard units of measurement. Standard units of measurement. Do you understand, all of you? Standard units of measurement for the sake of uniformity. Understand, uniformity in measurement, for the sake of uniformity. Uniformity means what? Everywhere same in throughout the world. Uniformity in measurements. Do you understand or not? All of you. That is what the importance of need of standard unit. Is there any doubt? Anybody? Please tell me. Tell me.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Clear? So now if you understand this, then the next concept which we are going to study is, every measurement consists of a number and a unit. That is what you should keep it. Every measurement consists of a number and a unit. Every measurement, keep heading. Every measurement consists of two things. One is what? One is number, and the every measurement consists of two things. Two things. What is the one thing? First one is what? Number. And the second one is what? Second one is what? Unit. Do you understand, all of you? So now, for example, let us take. Suppose I will ask you to measure. I will ask you to measure the weight of Lohit. Lohit, please mute. Somebody is there. Sarvesh. Now, suppose you see Pranav. Pranav, are you there in meeting? Pranav, Lohit. Observe very carefully. Suppose I will ask you to measure the weight of yours. Understanding? Example. I will ask you to measure the weight or mass of yours. Mass of a body. Mass of a body. Suppose you see, Sarvesh will say, sir, it is 20, and Lohit will say 20 kg. So who is correct? Sarvesh is correct or Lohit is correct? I am asking what is the mass of a given body? And they are saying that Sarvesh is saying 20 and Lohit is saying 20 kilogram. Or else, let us take, I am asking to measure the distance between the 2 points. Sarvesh is saying 1 and Lohit is saying same distance, he is saying 1 meter. So who is correct? Please let me know. Who is correct?
Lohit.
Lohit. Why? Because if you are not mentioning the units, then it does not have any value. Measurement has no value without unit. That is why any measurement if you take, every measurement must have two things. What are that? Number and as well as unit. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes or no? Yes. So
yes,
that is what you can say. So I will write measurement is equals to number, understanding, N-U-M-B-R, number into unit. Is it yes or no? Measurement
yes,
into unit. Is it yes or no? Suppose I will take measurement of length. What is the measurement of length? Tell me please. Measurement of length. For example, I will say 10 meters.
Yes.
What is that number? What is the number here? Please tell me. What is the number here? This number.
Yes.
Understanding, number, and this is called as unit. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is called as number and this is called as unit. So suppose I will say measurement of length is, suppose, understanding, if I will say measurement of length length is equals to 10. Is it right or wrong? Please tell me. Sarvesh, Lohit, is it right or wrong? Sanat, if I'll say measurement of length is 10, is it right or wrong? Wrong. Understand? Because it is only number, but I don't know either it is 10 kilogram, 10 meters, 10 centimeters, 10 kilometers. I don't know what is this. So that is why if I'll say only just a number, then this is the wrong. So a perfect measurement, if you are measuring something, then measurement always consists of two things. What are that? One is number and the second one is what? Second one is what? Unit. Please note it down, all of you. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is why I can say measurement is equals to what? Sanat? Measurement is equals to two things. One is number and another one is what? Unit. Unit. So this number is only, remember, also I can call it as measurement is equals to I can call length into unit I am saying. So length also I can call it as magnitude. What I should call Ra? Magnitude into unit. Also I can call it R magnitude. So measurement M is equals to, you can say, magnitude into unit. Do you understand, Ra? All of you? Yes or no? So example, if I'll say mass of my body, which is equals to 58 kilogram. So what is the magnitude and what is the unit? Can you able to say what is the magnitude and what is the unit here? This is called as what? What we should call this one? Number. So number means what it is? It is the magnitude. Do you understanding, all of you? And this is called as what? What is called as unit of mass? Is it yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, suppose I will say area of my room, which is equals to 100 square centimeter. So what is the magnitude here? Please tell me. What is the magnitude?
100.
What is the magnitude? Magnitude is equals to 100. And what is the unit of area? Unit is equals to square centimeter. Understanding? Square centimeter, which is the unit of area. What do we used to call as? Square centimeter. Unit of area. Do you understanding, Sarvesh? Sanat? So without unit, there is no value for any measurement. Do you understanding, Ra? Yes or no? So every measurement consists of a number and a unit. So measurement is not complete unless both the number and the unit are mentioned. That is what examples you should write it. Do you understanding or not really? This one. So if somebody will ask you, what is the length of your body? What you will say? Will you say 5 or 6 or 6 foot or 5 foot or 3 foot like that? What you will say? What you people will say? I am 6 feet person. Okay, if I will say what is your height, means I am 6. What is 6? Either it is age or length or reverse something. We should know it. So suppose I will ask you what is your weight. What you people will say? Please speak. I will ask you what is your weight or mass. What is your weight? Tell me.
My weight is my weight 40.
What, Lohit? Again you are saying only 40. Your weight is 40. What it is? Either kilogram, gram or kilometer or meter or something. Without unit, it is incomplete. Kilogram. That is what I am saying. Without unit, measurement is incomplete. That is what you should note it down. Right. Measurement is not complete. Measurement is not complete. Measurement is not complete. Measurement is not complete without what? Without complete, unless both the number and the unit are mentioned. Unless without mentioning the both length and number, and unless both the number and the unit are mentioned. Unless both number number and unit are mentioned. Is it okay, Ra? All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. So this is the importance of measurement. Why we should have measurement have unit? You must remember it. Understand? Every measurement consists of number and a unit. Without unit, there is no kind of value of that measurement. Or else that number also we can call it as what? Number is also known as what? Number is also known as what?
Number is also
So magnitude. So if you'll mention only magnitude without unit, then it does not called as a perfect measurement. If you want to measure anything, it must be represent along with the number. Number means magnitude. You have to represent the unit also. Do you understanding all of you? Sarvesh, Pranav?
yes, sir.
So this is all about the what is understanding distance and how we need to measure and how the units is contains. Next, from next class we'll continue what is the unit of length and what is the understanding SI unit and CGS units, like different units and all. I will say you for the length, and later we'll solve some numericals. Later we can go for measurement of length. Is it okay, all of you? Okay, that's all. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. You can leave from the meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.